Okay, so what's up everyone? We are gonna learn how to do a paper aeroplane. Okay, so first you can follow with me. Pause the video if you want, like and subscribe.
Hit the bell button so you know when we're posting new videos.
Yep. So first you fold it in half, like that. Fold it in half. And now you do that, like what you do on one of your iron paper planes. Yep. And then you fold it again, like that. And then you do the same on the other side. You can do coloured paper or any other paper you like or what you have. Okay, now you got that. Now you do that. You're nearly done. So you fold it where you folded it at the start on that line. You fold it again, and then you do that. You fold it, and you do the same to the other side. Make sure they're both the same. You can pause the videos as you want. And then last bit. So
just fold the edges.
Yep. And then you just do that on each side. Do that. And voila, you got your own plane that flies. Okay, so now you have your own paper airplane. You can pick any colour or do whatever you want. So hope you enjoyed, and like as always, bye and
Peace.
peace.
Adios.